Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Beats Fit Pro. And before starting I wanna show you that I enable volume control, so not ambient sound control, not for ANC or transparency mode, and it's the same in the application, so if you have Android you can do it the same, just enable volume control. Now let's work on with it. You can I put these headphones to my ears and these buttons located right here on this B letter. Now if I press one time on my left or right earbud, I will play and pause the song. So I press one time, yeah, I should play it again. So I press one time and I pause the song. I press again and I play a song. If you press two times on your left and right, or right, you will play next track. 1, 2. Here we go. Now, if you wanna play previous track, you should press 3 times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Now, to increase the volume, you should press and hold on your right earbud. So I'm press and hold, and as you can see, I increase the volume. To lower it, just press and hold on your left earbud. And as you can see, again, it works. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on your left or right earbud. I press one time and I answer the call. To mute the microphone, just press one time on the left or right earbud. And as you can see, I mute the microphone. If I press again, I will unmute it. And to finish the call, press 2 times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2. Here we go, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!